You know that friend that's always tired, no matter how much advice you give them, no matter how much they sleep, no matter what they do, they're always tired? I'm that friend, it's me. And the thing is, I think in general, just everyone in the world, including me, we're just all tired of this pandemic and all the things that come with it. I'm also just really tired of cleaning up after my cats. That's actually another story for another day. Anyways, what I'm not tired of though is making cha to help me get through my day. So stay tuned and watch me make some.
First things first, for 2 servings, you're going to need half glass milk and half glass water. You'll then need a full glass of milk because what you want is a creamy consistency for your cha. You don't want anything watered down. Second, you want to make sure to put your heat on medium. You're going to grab your spices, which is 3 cloves, 5 cardamom pods, 3 small cinnamon sticks, and you're going to go crush them. Third, you're gonna add your thin slice of ginger, don't cut yourself, and drop it into your tea. Fourth, you need to grab the black tea, which is literally the most important part of this video, and I'll list which one that I use in the description box below so you guys can actually look it up. Last but not least, finally, right? Well, this is the most important thing that people usually freak out about when they see me putting sugar directly into the pot. I promise you this is not gonna ruin the cha. Actually, if anything, it's gonna help it. You know when you're drinking the cha and then you're on the last bit of it and then you see all the sugar stuck in the bottom? That's pretty annoying, right? You don't want that to happen. So instead, put the sugar according to your preference. You saw that I'm putting 4 teaspoons in and that's what works for me. I know you all don't want to watch the video for 20 minutes or actually even hear me speak for that long. And honestly, I don't even want to hear myself speak for that long. But basically, I'm going to let the tea boil for about 20 minutes. And the reason why I do it for 20 minutes and not anything less or more is that I feel like everything boils together perfectly. Another thing is you might be wondering if I babysit the tea during this time. I actually don't. There's always so many other things that I'm doing, so I feel like it's better and it works for me when I throw everything into one pot and I let it boil. The type of pot that I'm using, the tea doesn't actually overflow and go onto my stove, so it's good. Also, this is another thing, and I don't know if it's actually something I should say because it's kind of embarrassing. I'm literally lightweight. There's literally no discrimination. It could be any type of caffeine, and I drink it right before I'm going to go to sleep. I'm literally regretting it the minute that I'm in bed looking at the ceiling trying to go to sleep, which is like the worst thing, especially when I have other things to do the next day. So the cha is almost done boiling, and I do want to mention, so some people, they have a different ratio for milk to water, and that's completely fine, but for me, I put more milk than water because I just like the creamier consistency. It's really up to you. Also, the cha, since it's almost done, grab a strainer and start straining. Don't forget to grab your favorite mug, start pouring, and finally you can have some nice hot cha.
Alright, so we're back. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching that video, and if you guys want to see more videos like this, please make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment down below if there's something that you guys were specifically interested in seeing. I also wish YouTube kind of had like this option where you guys can smell the cha through the video because it just smelled so good. Anyways, if you don't get your cha right on the first time, just keep chaing. I'm gonna stop now because that was so corny. Alright guys, see you on the next one.